What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, please consider subscribing for future videos, future vlogs, future gear reviews, and other shenanigans that I just tend to get into while I film these. For today's video, I'm actually doing an unboxing for something a little bit different, something I don't normally do on this channel, mainly because I do gear reviews and other things that are not necessarily this caliber of object or thing. It's actually for a service called Smile Direct Club. So for those of you that don't know what Smile Direct Club is, it's a mail order orthodontics service. I've always wanted to do orthodontics ever since I was a kid. I never could afford it. I wasn't really interested in it, mainly because I didn't have super bad teeth or anything like that. They were generally pretty straight. As I've gotten older, my teeth have shifted and I've become very complacent about my teeth. I recently went into a Smile Direct Club office where they did a 3D scan of my mouth, which was pretty sweet. They put this little camera in my mouth and it basically rendered a 3D model of my teeth. In this box, we'll see a few different things. We'll see the intro stuff that they'll send, and the main thing that's in this box is all the aligners that are required for my mouth and my teeth to make that transformation that was originally projected. After I did my consultation, I received an email that gave me a projection of how long it might take roughly to align my teeth based on what the orthodontist that represents Smile Direct Club indicated for me. That was pretty cool. It showed, actually I'll just play it right here. Smile Direct Club can take anywhere from 4 to 6 months to reach the desired effect. In some cases, if you have a train wreck mouth...
I always have this with me, just in case.
Okay, I get it. I have bad teeth.
That might be a little bit longer, if not, more than, 6 to 12 months. Generally, from what I've seen on other videos and other vlogs and things like that, I can tell that it's, generally in the 4 to 7 month mark. I think it's a lot better solution than braces, especially as an adult, because I didn't want a mouthful of metal.
Let's see those pearly whites.
I'm a piranha.
This is a good option for me. So let's get down to it. And as Ignacio from Nacho Libre says,
Let's get down to the nitty-gritty.
okay, so this is the box that I received. Actually, I'm just cutting right into it. It says smile inside, handle with care. It's super lame, but whatever. We gotta have marketing everywhere on this box. So. Yay. Okay, so the box contains another box. Okay, there it is. Open for a lifetime supply of confidence. Okay, I will. So, upon opening, oh look, it says, welcome to the club. It says, hi there, your smile journey starts now, and we're so excited for you to get a smile you'll love. Your duly licensed doctor and dental team will be with you every step of the way, overseeing your new smile. Smile on, your Smile Direct Club team. Aw, that's so sweet. Okay, so let me see what this is here. Oh, so it's the smile guide, I guess. Okay, so just has some documentation, how to use. Yeah, and cool. Just kind of has, just everything you need to know. Do's and don'ts, all that stuff. So I think that's pretty nice of them to do that. I mean, otherwise you'd be definitely in the dark. I think that's the good thing about not going to an orthodontist. I guess they're very thorough. I mean, if you can't make it to an orthodontist, if you don't already have a dentist that can kind of consult you with this stuff, which they do encourage, then they do have pretty good documentation. So this is obviously where you'll keep your retainer. It's empty. Some lip balm, some whitening, solution actually that they when I went in for my consultation, they gave me a little mouthpiece that has whitening strips in it, and you apply this into the whitening tray and you put that in your mouth for a few minutes, and it's a daily treatment. I'm not really big on whitening just because I already have sensitive teeth and I don't want to make them more sensitive, so I probably won't be doing that as often as they recommend, but that's okay. Not sure what these are. Let's just open one. I have no idea why they include these things. It's just a little thing I opened, which is kind of random, but whatever. Okay, also there's a little hook. It's the liner remover thingamabob is what they call it. It's a little hook to get your retainers out. And then there's these little chewy aligner tray seaters. So once you put the actual aligner in your mouth, you chew on these things to set it onto your teeth, because it won't set just by pushing it, pushing it on. You have to kind of do this for the first couple tries. So there's that. All right, so now let's lift this off, and then we get the smile stretcher. And I think this is what you can use to actually take your before and after pictures. It says, if you have any hiccups uploading your photos, okay, so they want photos. How to use Smile Stretcher will help you take progress photos every 90 days as part of your club warranty. If you ordered an impression kit, check your guide to see what you do. I didn't do that, so large fins go inside. So yeah, everybody's seen these things, the thing that people try to play that game with. I don't even remember what it's called, but there's that, so you can actually put in your mouth and make a fool of yourself. So I will be doing that. I'm gonna put that back in there so I get it pretty. And where's that? Okay, so at the bottom of the box here, this Patience Fellow Grinner, only pull one set of aligners out at a time. Okay, so I guess you pull this thing off. So like I said, this has all the aligners that I will need for the next 4 to 6 months, if not longer. So as you can see, it says right there, month 1, week 1. So this is the first set of trays that I'll need, and every week it progressively gets straighter. Your teeth progressively get straighter because of these aligners. Some of them last more than a week. So I've seen some of them lasting 2-ish weeks. So this isn't exactly 7 days, but it'll definitely tell you in the instructions when to do that. So I just need to keep track. So today is actually Thursday, May 2nd. From here on out, I'll do a video once a month, just kind of monitoring my progress. Maybe an intermittent, small, tiny mini-sode, just kind of updating on different things, but I'd really appreciate you staying tuned. So I've got my little smile stretcher thing. So yeah, there's that. So let me just put that in just to make a fool of myself. See, my teeth right now actually aren't that, I'm trying to talk. My teeth aren't actually that bad. It's just I have some crowding on the bottom, maybe some crowding on the top. Nothing crazy. They're not terrible by any means. Honestly, I have the impression that it will probably take 4 to 5 months as opposed to 4 to 6 months, just because I have a feeling that they just want to draw this out. If they can do it in more steps, that's fine, because I've seen many things and I've yet to experience this, but there's definitely going to be some discomfort because it's your teeth shifting. So just be aware, if you're thinking about this, there will be discomfort. Yeah, so let me go ahead and put this on. So here's what they look like here. So yeah, there we go. If it'll focus, there we go. So here's my top teeth, and then here are my bottom teeth, retainers or aligners. Pretty cool. Nothing too special. They're just simple plastic. Yeah, so all right, let's give this a try. Ow. Okay, that's for the bottom ones. And here's for the top. It's harder than I thought it was, even with the chewies. Okay, yeah, that hurts a little bit. But yeah, there they are. Sitting nice and snug on my teeth. Yeah, so basically they tell you to keep them in, and you hear the lisp. It's gonna take a little bit to get used to that. I don't like that. Hope I don't have to give a speech anytime soon. You actually have to keep them in 21 hours a day. Sometimes people tend to not keep them in that long. They said on many forums on their website that if you want it to occur quicker, you need to have them in 21 hours a day. So after you're wearing your retainers, you're probably asking, when do I eat? So you don't actually eat anything when you have these in. You take your retainers out to eat. And if the only thing you can drink with these is clear liquid, which is basically water. They encourage you not to drink any soda or sugary drinks with these in. So if you're gonna eat anything or drink anything, I'd just say be safe and just take them out. Maybe rinse your mouth out really well and then put them back in. They recommend you brush and floss and stuff like that, but that's not really a possibility for a lot of people in a lot of certain jobs. For me, it may be possible, it's just annoying. Like I said, I'll be posting a video once a month, just an update video, so stay tuned. Consider subscribing and checking out my other videos, and I'll leave those all around this page right now, or just right there. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.